Hey guys, thanks for watching my lesson 10. So today I'm gonna show you another new function. So the function is called camera. So where is the camera? Okay, you just go to create, and then this one is a geometry, it's a 3D object. This one is a shape, it's a 2D spline object. And then number 3, this one is a light. Light, actually for the next lesson, I will teach you the light, the basic light setting, how to create. Okay, so now today I will teach you camera. This one is number 4. Okay, so before I teach you the camera, I need to create some 3D model because easy to explain for me. Okay, so let's speed up. So that's all. Okay, so like you can see, this all everything is the 3D model. All I using is a basic tools. Let's say like the sphere inside the primitive. Okay, chamfer box. I using this one to make the chair. You can see this tree. Okay, you can see this one box, and this one. You can see I using the extrude first, and then after that, okay, first I using the rectangle, okay, and then after that extrude. So this one also same. This O, okay, I just copy another one and then adjust the height level. And this one you can see behind this one the bob. First I using the rectangle. After that at this point change the shape and then extrude. Okay, so this one is the final result. Okay, so this one you can see the top one, this tree. Okay, this tree all I using the line. Okay, and then after that extrude. I just use the line to adjust the shape like that. Using the vertex. Okay, and then after that edit, then using extrude to make the final one. So this one O is a 2D object also. You can see this one, the board, this one, and including the one. Okay, this one. Okay, O is using rectangle, and this spline as group. And then the Teach Lab 27, I just use text as group. So this is all the basic tools, the function I have teach you before. Start from lesson 1 and until lesson 9 as I have mentioned before. So maybe if you forgot already, you can add the video tutorials. Okay, so now we have one, let's say this one is the mini booth. Okay, so we have booth already, the model. So now start teach the camera view. Okay, start teach the camera function. So before, you need to create one camera first. So you just go to create and then find out this one, camera. Actually, for the camera inside have a tree. Okay, so this one is a called physical. Okay, we can say this one is a physical camera, but this one I will skip because in future for the advanced level, the 3D Max, I will continue the physical camera. Okay, and then another one is target, and the last one is free. Okay, so actually target and free mode is the same one. Only difference is one, the camera got the target one, and then another one is a free camera, don't have any target. Okay, let's say now I continue this one, the free. The first one, I continue the free camera first. Okay, just click free. And then after click already, is it? Okay, you just go to front or maybe left, you choose one, you just click. Then you can see. So this one is a camera view. Okay, so this one is camera view. After done already, you just click select move. Then you check. So this one is a very simple one. When you move the camera, you can see the length, everything's moved together. So in future, or maybe for my experience, I don't suggest you using the free camera because a bit difficult to control, very simple one. Okay, so if you want to use the camera, I suggest you use camera view. Okay, I suggest you use camera, the target camera. Okay, just click the target one and then you go to the top, but this time not the click one, you just press your mouse left button and then move and then down. That's all. So this one is a camera, target camera. Okay, okay, so now after that already, you just click select move. So you can see if I have a camera, so that means got view is called camera view. So where is the camera view? Okay, you need to select one of them. Okay, for me is it I always select probabilistic view. So just click, after select already, you just click C. C, actually the first letter is actually the camera, the first letter is C. So okay, you just click C, and then this one is a camera view. You can see this one, camera 001. When you select the camera, this one also is called camera 001. So that's mean this one is camera view. So after haven't finished, because you just create only, so after that you need to adjust. Okay, you need to adjust the location. When you move the camera, you can see the camera view, they will move together. Actually it's the same view. Actually it's the same things. Okay, so that's mean you need to, okay, you can see here got the one point. This one is called target. You can move the target also. Actually, target you can imagine can help you to focus the object, which object you want to see. Okay, because this camera I create from top view, so that means if you can see you can see the front side, the front view. You can see the camera view actually is a floor level, so you need to move up the camera view. Normally the camera, what the height level we need to set up actually is a human eyes level. Okay, you just remember this one, the human eyes level normally. Okay, so now you take up the camera, target camera also. Okay, and then you move up and then you change. Then you can see the view, they will change together. But haven't finished, you just adjust because we just adjust the location, just adjust the planes. So now select the camera, because now we need to start modify the camera, because you can see the camera length still not very nice. Okay, to zoom in already. So you need to select the camera, go to modify. So this one is target camera setting. Okay, we need to remember few things only for the basic level. Okay, so you can see the length. Okay, now it's a 43.456. Okay, so this one you can put the small number, because for the small number, okay, you can zoom out. Okay, if the number too bigger, that means the camera zoom in. Okay, remember this concept. So you can see here stop length. Actually, this one have a few template. You can choose from here, or you can type the number, what number you want. Okay, so for me, I suggest you can use 24, because 24 is very logic one. The view, just click, then you can see. Now it's 24, and then you can see the view. Zoom up already. Okay, but don't less than 24. If maximum you want 20, actually enough already. If less than 20, you can see the view actually not very logic one. You can see the camera range. Okay, the view. Okay, so 24. I suggest you using 24. If you put 35, 50, 85, you can see zoom in, and zoom in, something like that. And then you can see the length also, the size changing. So I put 24. You can see the bigger one. Okay, so now you adjust again. Okay, which angle you want to see? Maybe here, because I can see the name. Okay, so this one is a front side for this mini booth. Okay, so another one, remember, if you got the camera view, okay, let's say now, okay, this one is a camera view. So now I want to render. So how to render? You just click render production, just click. Okay, so you can see, because inside you can see have a few effect, especially the floor level. I have put some reflection in the material editor. Okay, I think you already know if you got watch my preview lesson. Okay, inside have a few color and effect, all complete in material editor. Okay, so continue again. Like you can see, this one actually a bit different. You can see this one after render. You can see if you double check, you can see the range quite a bit different. This one is a zooming range, and then this one is a bit like zoom up already. You can see the after render, the final result a bit different. Okay, so this one is a camera range problem. So that means if you want to make sure 100% the camera view set out already, the angle like that, then after you render, you want to make sure the view is 100% same like the camera view. Okay, you need to open. Okay, you just go to the camera 001, just like click, open this one, show set frame. This one after you open, okay, this setting will let you know the real angle. That means the real range for the rendering. Okay, so render. Now you can see, it's the same one after you open the set frame. Okay, so remember, show set frame. If you after you got the camera view, okay, you need to open show set frame before you render. Okay, so another question. Okay, is it one 3D file only can put one camera? Actually, you also can put more than one, maybe 5, 10. Actually, this one is a limit. Okay, that means you can select the target. Okay, and then go to the top view. Maybe here I want to put another one, and then here I got another one, and then okay, the behind one. Okay, I put another one. Maybe here again. So now done. For the top view, how many camera you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but remember, after you create already, you need to select the camera, change the view one by one, change the location one by one. Okay, so when you change okay, you also can select the camera 001 for this one, because like just now I said, you click C, that means will auto change to the camera view. But if this 3D Max file inside have more than one the camera, that means after you click C, it will show you the select camera option. You see, camera 1 until 5. Which one you want to see? This one is camera 2. Okay, so select you want to see camera 2. Just select. Okay. And this one is a camera 2. Okay, so this one is camera 2. You need to take out. And you can see the real result. You can see directly to see the view for the camera 002. So easy to edit. you select this one again. This one is a camera 004. Okay, now you go back to select the camera 002 for this one, and then you click C, camera 004. Okay, open, and then select, and then move. And also, you also can select the target and move up the target. Okay. This one is a camera 005. Okay, camera 005. Yes. This one is another camera. This one is a camera 3. Okay. Click C. If you selected the camera 03, then you go to camera view. Just click C. It will directly to show you the camera 3. Okay. No need to select 1 until 5 again. Okay. Now, okay, I just made one screen. So now this one is a 003 for the camera. So if you click C again, okay, this one is camera 1, camera 2, camera 3, 4, and this one is a camera basic function. Want to take the nice angle before you render, you need to set up the camera. Okay, set up the angle, which angle you want to render. And then one more question again, another problem. Okay, you need to remember. Okay, so this one, after if you go to camera and then you still want to modify the 3D modeling, remember this camera you need to change probabilistic view. Just click P. Then rotate the view and then select the model and then modify the model. Because why? Because if you still select the camera 001, let's say this one is a camera view. Okay, then you want to go to modify. Okay, this one you not change to camera, you not change to probabilistic view. Okay, you see, if I click rotate and rotate the angle, you see a bit difficult to rotate. Then you can see actually the view is a fix already. And then when you move the view, then you can see the top view. Okay, you moving the camera 001 in the center. So remember, actually the camera is a fixed angle. So remember, after if you want to modify, you want to rotate the angle, just click P and rotate. Okay. When I rotate, I using the probabilistic view rotate, then you can see the camera view. Okay, still the same one, not any moving or other problem. Hey guys, thanks for watching my lesson 10. So if you really like my video tutorials, you can subscribe my channel. So for the next lesson, it's a lesson 11. I will teach you how to use the basic light, how to create and how to set up. Thanks.